Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Nest. Today we're diving into Samsung's brand new Galaxy Z Fold6, the foldable powerhouse that's redefining mobile innovation in 2025. Let's break down its design, specs, features, and whether it's worth your upgrade. Samsung has refined the design. The Z Fold6 is thinner, lighter, and more durable thanks to the new titanium frame. The crease is less visible, and the hinge feels smoother than ever. You're still getting a massive 7.6-inch inner AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, but brightness and color accuracy are better than ever. The outer screen is now wider and easier to use when folded. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, this phone flies through tasks. Multitasking is smoother, gaming is better, and battery efficiency is improved. You now get a triple camera system, 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, and yes, under-display selfie camera is still there. With One UI 7 and Android 15, Samsung is pushing foldable-specific features like split-screen multitasking, app continuity, and S Pen enhancements. Battery life is slightly better with a 4600 mAh cell. Pricing starts at $1,799, but trade-ins and bundles can bring it down significantly. So, is the Z Fold 6 worth it? If you're into productivity, power, and futuristic tech, absolutely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more 2025 smartphone coverage right here on Gadget Nest.